Plant FAQs. Philodendron sp. Colombia. Philodendron sp. Colombia. Unveiling the allure of this undescribed beauty. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for unique and captivating additions to my collection. The Philodendron sp. Colombia has recently captured my attention with its stunning foliage and intriguing status as an undescribed species. Today, I want to delve into the world of this philodendron, answering all your burning questions and sharing my experiences caring for it. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What is a Philodendron sp. Colombia? The Philodendron sp. Colombia, as the name suggests, hails from Colombia. The sp. in its name signifies it's an undescribed species, meaning botanists haven't yet formally classified it. This adds a touch of mystery to the plant, making it even more desirable for collectors like myself. What makes it special? The Philodendron sp. Colombia boasts magnificent, deeply veined leaves with a rich, dark green hue. The veins themselves are a darker shade, creating a beautiful quilted effect on the leaf surface. The foliage also has a wonderful texture and sheen, similar to the popular philodendron Dean McDowell. However, the sp. Colombia has a slight edge with its thicker leaf blades and more pronounced veins. This philodendron is a crawler, meaning it grows by trailing vines that love to climb. This characteristic makes it ideal for hanging baskets or placing on a shelf where its cascading vines can elegantly drape down. Philodendron sp. Colombia versus Philodendron McDowell. While the Philodendron sp. Colombia shares some similarities with the Philodendron McDowell, there are key distinctions to consider. Leaf thickness. The sp. Colombia has noticeably thicker leaf blades compared to the Dean McDowell. Vein prominence. The veins on the sp. Colombia are more pronounced, creating a stronger quilted effect. Growth habit. Both are crawlers, but the sp. Colombia might exhibit slightly more vigorous growth. Ultimately, the choice between these two philodendrons depends on personal preference. If you desire a more robust plant with accentuated veins, the sp. Colombia might be the perfect fit. Caring for your Philodendron sp. Colombia, a simple guide. Providing the right care for your Philodendron sp. Colombia is essential to ensure it thrives. Here's what I've learned. Light. This philodendron prefers medium to bright indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch or two of the soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a major threat, so ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Humidity. Moderate humidity is ideal. If your environment is dry, consider using a humidifier or grouping your philodendron with other plants to increase localized humidity. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. A mixture specifically formulated for aroids, plants in the Araceae family, works well. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer in the winter. With consistent care, your Philodendron sp. Colombia will reward you with its captivating foliage and graceful growth. Tips for propagating your Philodendron sp. Colombia. Propagation allows you to multiply your beloved philodendron. Here's a simple method for stem cuttings. Choose a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes, the bumps where leaves emerge. Make a clean cut just below a node. Remove the lower leaves, leaving a couple of nodes exposed. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional, but can promote faster root growth. Plant the cutting in a pot with a moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot with a clear plastic bag to create a humid environment. Place the pot in bright, indirect light, and mist the leaves regularly. Once roots establish, usually in a few weeks, remove the plastic bag and care for your new philodendron plant as usual. Common problems and solutions. While generally a low-maintenance plant, a few issues can arise with your Philodendron sp. Colombia. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or excessive light. Adjust your watering schedule and provide appropriate light conditions. Yellowing leaves. Similar to brown leaves, this could be due to watering issues or lack of light. Ensure proper watering and provide more indirect light. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites are common culprits. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations with neem oil or insecticidal soap. By identifying the cause and taking corrective action, you can keep your Philodendron sp. Colombia healthy and flourishing. The Philodendron sp. Colombia is a captivating addition to any plant collection, offering a unique blend of beauty and intrigue. Its remarkable foliage, coupled with its easygoing nature, makes it a rewarding companion for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and curious beginners. Whether you admire its captivating veins or appreciate its cascading growth habit, the Philodendron sp. Colombia has the potential to become a cherished centerpiece in your home.